Everyone knows it's very important to do the maintenance on your car before you start doing performance upgrades. Anyway, we're going to be putting on this catless downpipe, 7-inch intercooler. We're going to tune it for about 100 more horsepower, put on this angle kit and boost pipes, and get ready for drifting. Now earlier we did add a cold air intake and removed the muffler by putting on an axle back exhaust.
I think it's going to do a...
So the combination of those two things and this downpipe and it being tuned should be pretty awesome. Let's get that shit on. Oh. One of the reasons I'm changing the boost pipes is the factory ones are plastic. And as plastic gets old and hot and you throw a lot of boost pressure at it, it's gonna just explode. So we're getting rid of this. And this is the new one. It's gonna be a metal one and shouldn't explode. Yeah. That's not gonna fit. Alright. Oh. Careful on the Z. Oh. Alright, I got the downpipe out. I had to pull a motor mount. So let's put that in. Put this thing kind of back together. And then we could tune it and try it out. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and get this off the jack stands. I am done under the car. Let's see if I can put this back together. Alright, it is the next day. The tune should have come in by email and we're going to actually try and put it in this time. And then we're going to see how fast the car actually goes. Yesterday it was running very rich, so it definitely needs the tune now that we're no longer running the original exhaust. So we'll see what happens. Let's see how fast it is. This should be pretty fun. Alright, so I've activated the license. That brings you here. Let's see. So I'm gonna go stage 2 plus, I think. Alright, let's see what happens when it starts.